Would you like to die and go to heaven? I have a 2-day workshop called Diving onto Heaven. It's utterly divine. In the class that takes place over 2 days, we dye the paper. So the first day is really just playing with the dyes, experimenting with colours. Here are some of just an example of colours. And also, it's so, what's the word I'm looking for? It kind of makes itself up as it goes along. So you could say, I love this colour, can I make some more? And you can use all the same techniques and it doesn't necessarily give you the exact same result. So that's what I actually love about it. If you like things that are completely predictable, then this is not the class for you. But if you like random and surprises and exploring, then absolutely. This is a little book that I made using the techniques from Diving onto Heaven. It's kind of like the books we end up making on day 2, but they are bigger. And it's just such a versatile technique. Here's a packet of papers that an envelope I made using Diving onto Heaven. Now, from the colours I've shown you so far, you might think, well, that's not really my cup of tea. But if you like darker, if you like to go on the dark side, then you can. You can decide your colour palette. And this is just giving an example of where you can go with the dyed paper once you've got it finished and turned into pages and ready to make into a book. So there you go, Diving onto Heaven, 2-day weekend workshop. Go to my website for details to find out when the next one is.